Hi everyone, this video is an illustration how to add multiple users into Microsoft Teams application using Excel. That is, in a single step, how can we add multiple users using the CSV file. So as usual, if we log in to the Microsoft account, you'll be getting so many apps as you see on the screen. There you have to go to admin page. And the admin page has this interface in which go to users, go to active users and select add multiple users. You will be getting a new window like this in multiple users, where you can download either the Excel file with headers and examples, otherwise just the format. Here I am downloading just the format of the CSV document. And I'm just saving it in my computer. Whatever user names you want, how many users you want to create, you will be having the names already in your computer. So what you have to do is save the CSV document that we downloaded now after filling the user details. Here I am showing the students data which I am already having, and I'm just copying all those student names. This is their email IDs, and I'm just saving these details in the downloaded file. We have to make some adjustments here, because here the Microsoft Teams expects the user IDs with the extension of our domain. And here if you click on any of the user IDs, you will be able to see the domain name. And you have to copy that part. That means the part that starts from @kvpt3.onmicrosoft.com is our domain. So you have to copy that and change the existing Gmail ID of that particular student like this, as you see on the screen. I am just replacing all their @gmail.com to kvpt3.onmicrosoft.com. So once if you observe the steps, you will be able to do it yourself. After replacing all such extensions, just give a check once again, because there may be some fields or some data missing, so that also you have to change. Nothing else we should do here. You have to simply give the user IDs and the user name that you want to see once if you log in. Their user names that should be visible. And this is the file which I created for adding our teachers to this portal. So once if you edit like this, once if you add your student data like this, you can save this file. The main thing that you should keep in mind is that when we save this, you have to go to file and click on save as. When you save, the type of the file must be CSV, delimited. You can see that. Once if you save in that format, the file will be looking different from usual Excel file. Here you can see the difference. This is usual Excel file and this is the CSV file. See, they are looking different. Only CSV can be uploaded, and this is the way we should save it. So once if you edit the file that we downloaded from the Teams application, you have to save it with the extension .csv like you saw on the screen. Now the next thing is you have to go to the Microsoft admin page again and browse for the file which you created. Just upload it. Once if the uploading is done, just click on the verify. Only if we get such a message we can proceed. Otherwise we have to repeat the steps again and again until we get the successful message. Now you have to set the privileges or the licenses. If it is teacher, then you have to go to this. If it is a student, then you have to select this option. Now I am adding this staff, so I am selecting the first one. Just click on next. Now the users are being added. After the adding, successful message will come here. Download the user IDs and passwords using this, and it is downloaded. See, these are the users and their user IDs and passwords. Just save it in your computer and proceed. Now the new users have been added. Just click on the refresh tab. You will be able to see the newly added IDs here. So it's a simple thing. Only some difficulty is there when you save the CSV file. If you take care of that step, adding students as well as any user to this team account is very simple. Hope you understood it. Thank you.